Hello, this is Paul from ASL Defined, and I want to explain to you once you receive your temporary username and login from your teacher, then what do you do with it? Okay, and so once you have that, again, it's temporary, and you're going to put it in here, and okay, so and then you're going to type it in there. It will bring you to an update account page, and it says new to ASL defined right here. Yep, and you are. You're going to update these three things: username, email address, and password. Okay, the one that you received from the teacher, the username and password, that is just temporary. Personalize your page. Okay, now down here in existing account, you don't have an existing account. This is a new account from your teacher. Don't use this down here, okay? What you want to do is right here. So username, I could put down Spider-Man, and then update account, don't save, and then all of a sudden you're now in and you're in the lessons, okay? I hope that helps. If you have any questions, you can always call me or email me. All right, thanks a lot. Take care.